Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn and Lauren here for SheSave.com, and I'm super excited to share with you that we are finally checking out Allure Beauty Box. This is something we wanted to do forever. In fact, we ordered the December box and didn't have time to get to a review, and our January box arrived. So we've got two to show you here today. We did take a peek at the December box, but just never got a video review posted. So we're gonna let you see what's in here. Allure Beauty Box is a pretty awesome deal. For $15 a month, you get shipped a box full of hopefully new to you beauty products, samples, and different things. And they promise the value to be over $60 to $90, sometimes even more. So we thought we would give you a look at these so you can see what this is all about. I've also got a special offer code for you and a free gift for new members. So we will take a look at all that as well. Lauren is dying to get her hands on this, so let's open this and give you a peek. I've been making her keep everything in the December box until we did our video, so she really wants to try these things. So this is a look at what our new member gift is for the December box, which is over now, but you can see the value here. It was a One Step Pro Blowout Styler from Hot Tools, valued at $74.99. So we get to go online, put that coupon code in, and redeem that as well. And then this is the product sheet that comes in every box, and I'll use that to kind of tell you a little bit about the products and get the retail prices out of here, and then we'll just dig in. So as you can see, for $15 a box already, you can tell you're not going to lose money on this, but all kinds of goodies.
So this is an Anastasia liquid lipstick.
Awesome.
This is so cool, and it's full size, which is amazing.
Very cool. Okay, and I can tell by the product guide here, the price, the retail price on this is $20. So right there, you just paid for your box. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay. I think these boxes would make a neat gift idea, and they're also a really fun way to try out new products and things you might not have heard of. Okay.
This is a clear brow gel.
Also by Anastasia. Anastasia? Yeah. Now that doesn't seem like a full size, does it to you?
No, but it is still a pretty good size.
Yeah, it is. Especially for trying something out and seeing if it's a fit for you or not. So that one, a full size, retails for $22.
That's awesome.
That's really cool.
And next we have a makeup eraser.
Ooh, very cool.
These are
I know
really
you
cool.
like those.
Yeah. They help get rid of your makeup even when you don't have any like makeup remover or anything.
Ooh, nice.
And it's so soft, so it'll be really nice on your skin.
Very cool.
That's so awesome. Okay. And then this is a coconut skin smoothie priming moisturizer.
Nice.
That's so cool.
Do you think that's a sample size?
I don't know. It's a really good size.
It is a really good size.
It's pretty big. It looks like it has a really generous amount in it. Okay. Oh, it smells good too.
Oh, I can smell that. That does smell really good.
This is by HelloFab.
Oh, nice. Very cool.
And then we have, ooh, this is a texturizing hairspray by, I don't know how to pronounce that.
I don't know how to pronounce that either, but that does look like a sample size to me, but actually I love that for travel and stuff, and that way if you like it and it's a product that turns out to really work for you, then you can get the full size product in the future. That's awesome. I think it would be so, I know you're going to be excited about these boxes every month because you love new stuff. Okay, and the real treat with this box, and we had heard that the December box is one of the best, but you really don't ever know what you're going to get with Allure Beauty Box. This is a full Moonchild Anastasia palette, and this retails for $40.
This is so exciting. This palette is so beautiful.
Wow.
So the colors are Blue Ice, Star, Purple Horseshoe, Pink Heart, Lucky Clover, and Blue Moon.
Wow.
Those are so pretty.
And this is what she's been dying to get her hands on. She really couldn't stand that I was procrastinating getting this done. So there you go. So you can see right there alone, we've got all of these products. This for $15 a month. I think it's pretty safe to say you're not going to lose money or be disappointed each month. I think every month just varies on what you'll get. And so now we'll take a look at the January box and kind of see how they compare. But we had heard that one of the most exciting boxes every year tends to be that December box. But we'll take a look at the January box and see if that's true. While you're opening that, I'm going to take a peek again at everything that was in this box. That was a lot of stuff.
It comes with a lot, and they're all really good products. Ooh.
Okay, so there's this product guide. These are always so beautiful, too. And inside, I'll just kind of give you a peek. They just give different people's opinions of the products, but they also do provide like a little bit of review and thoughts. So it's a good reference. We just won't show you before we peek in the box. Look how pretty. I can't believe how much they fit into these boxes.
Okay, what is this? Ooh, this is a Perfect Shine Oil Mist. That's cool.
Oh, that is really cool. Let me find this in my little book here. Okay, so that product retails for $16. I just can't tell if it's, you've got a sample size there or not, but wow. How many ounces is that one?
Let's see. It's 1 fluid ounce.
Okay, so the retail one they show here in the catalog is a 4 ounce, but it's $16. So, and that looks also like a really great travel size.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's awesome. Okay, then this is an exfoliator.
Okay, Kate Somerville.
That's so cool.
That's awesome. And how big is that one? That looks like it's this retails for $75 for 1.7 ounces.
Yeah, this one's 75 milliliters.
Okay, wow, very cool. Do you want to take that out of the box?
Sure. Packaging on it is really
I've actually heard about this, so I'm excited to try this because
cool.
It's got a really high retail price. So again, this is a way to try products that you probably don't really want to take a huge risk on buying retail, but you can discover some things that you love. And then it's always, I'm always happy to buy things that work or that I'm happy with. So this is a great way to try all that out.
Ooh, this is a Rip Restoration.
Ooh, Skin Pure Lip Restoration.
That's so cool.
That's awesome.
A car. I don't know how to say that, but
that retails for $30. Again, I don't know if that's a sample or not. That looks like a lot though.
Yeah.
Actually, that looks full size to me, but I'm not sure on that. So don't quote me, but
ooh,
awesome. Okay.
That's so cool. Okay, and now we have this. Oh, let's see, what is this?
Renewed Hope in a Jar. Oh, that's from Philosophy. I've actually used this product before. And that's one, I know the full size for that one retails around $40. Okay, it says $39, so pretty close. Awesome. I really like Philosophy products, so that's cool.
That looks really cool. Okay, there's that one. This is a dual drop serum by Brid C.
Let's see. VitaBrid C12 Dual Drop Serum.
Oh yeah, VitaBrid. That's cool.
That's one that retails the full size for $62. So I think this is a sample again, probably, but still, again, a great way to try out a product if you're wanting to see that it, if it works for you or not. And they also give coupon codes. I forgot to mention that. Coupon codes for how you can try these products at a discount. Awesome.
That's
that looks
so
great.
Cool. That's a really good size.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then the last
thing in here is what?
Lights, Camera, Lashes by Clark.
Okay.
This is so cool. I've been wanting to try this.
You have?
Yeah.
I think I've seen this packaging. I'm excited to. The retail price on this is $23, and this looks, oh wow. Doesn't that look full size to you?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So right there again, you know, just one item in these boxes pays for everything.
So this is in the color black.
Ooh, we might fight over this one.
That looks so nice. Oh my gosh.
Very cool. All right, so there you go. That is the January box. That's quite a bit. I just think, and what I had heard and why we eventually ended up reviewing these boxes, I've just heard great things. I don't think you can go wrong. If you're into beauty products or if you're looking to step up your skincare game, I just don't think you can go wrong. So here we have, let's give you a look at everything here. That is the January box. And then over here, we have everything from the December box. So I think these are pretty impressive, right? Is this something you would continue?
Oh yeah, they come with a lot. All the products are really nice. They're all ones I've actually been wanting to like try out. And I think it's awesome.
I think the hardest thing is going to be deciding what we share and what we each keep, right? Okay, so there you go. I will include a coupon code so you can try this out your first month for $10 along with a free gift. And then it's $15 every month from there. And I'll include all the information so you can find that. Let me know if you have any questions. And thanks for watching. This is Carrie Lynn and Lauren for SheSafe.com.